Midland Memorial and Medical Center are seeing more patients admitted to the ER every hour. According to leaders, this wave of COVID is much worse than the first time around. Why? Because resources aren't there to help. News West 9's Rachel Ripp talked with the hospitals today and takes the story from here.
Sammy, Dr. Wilson tells me over the weekend there was a 3-hour window of time where 7 COVID patients checked into Midland Memorial Hospital. He also says that he wouldn't be surprised if the number of COVID patients surpasses 100 by tomorrow. Concern about the Delta variant is reaching a new high this weekend, as higher numbers of patients are being admitted by the hour.
I've never seen anything like what I've seen in the last 24 hours in our hospital. I don't know how we can sustain this.
Hospital staff are in emergency mode, and they say they expect to stay here for a while if West Texans continue behavior of not wearing masks and spreading this virus.
This weekend, we've watched in the last 24 hours, we've had over 15 admissions to the hospital or COVID-related infections, many of them critically sick, requiring ventilators and respiratory support at a very high level. This virus spreads so readily that the next 2 weeks we'll see what's going on today. But if we change our behavior today, maybe we can slow it down for the following couple of weeks. So I'm really asking that people do the right thing and get back to the behaviors that were helpful. If you want to get out and get about, do so, but wear a mask.
Help is carting in from the state this week, who is sending more nurses, but that's about all they're getting this time around. State funding isn't big enough to foot the bill.
They didn't materialize because there's not enough of them around, and the cost of procuring them has been accelerated just because of supply demand dramatically. So it's costing, 5 times, 10 times more than ever before. It's ridiculous. I mean, it's close to $200 an hour to get a nurse.
And the nurses that are available are going to bigger cities. So Midland Health is calling out to the community to step up if they have any critical care or medical experience. Over in Odessa, they're in the same situation. Medical professionals say the remedy to this whole thing, well, you guessed it, getting the vaccine, along with all the other safety measures we know by heart. Dr. Wilson tells me he's not sure on the number of nurses they'll be getting from the state this week. Reporting in Midland, Rachel Ripp, News West 9.